We're finally going to study the effects on these chemicals and finally get to the bottom of what effect this terrible train crash and the ensuing consequences had on the people of East Palestine.
The Trump administration will investigate the long-term health effects of a toxic train derailment in East Palestine, Ohio. A Norfolk Southern train was hauling 20 cars containing hazardous materials, including at least 5 toxic chemicals, when it derailed on February 3, 2023, in a fiery crash, prompting massive flames and a billowing cloud of toxic smoke to hover over the community. At the request of Vice President J.D. Vance, the National Institutes of Health announced a 5-year, $10 million research initiative to assess and address the long-term health outcomes stemming from the train derailment.
This is the first large-scale coordinated multi-year federal study focused specifically on the long-term health impacts of the East Palestine disaster.
Vance was an Ohio senator at the time of the derailment and criticized former President Joe Biden's response to the crash.
As much as I tried as a United States Senator to work with the Biden administration, they refused to do anything to actually study the effects of these long-term exposures.
The federal government was accused of lifting evacuation orders too early and allowing residents to return to homes still tainted by toxic chemicals. In April 2024, Norfolk Southern reached a $600 million settlement with East Palestine residents and businesses who sued for damages stemming from the derailment. In 2025, the company announced it would pay $22 million in settlement payments to the village of East Palestine related to the disaster's effect on the local government.